This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. Just stepped in through the front door into a Newcastle layout townhome, looking at a half flight of stairs up to the main level. Turning to my right, looking at a wide coat closet and a powder room. Great placement for it. Window for natural light. Half flight of stairs takes you down to a lower level. I'll come back to that. Main level is unusually spacious and wide. High ceilings. This terrific kitchen dining room. Variety of lighting. White cabinetry, white quartz counters. 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. This is a deep, wide undermount sink. Tile backsplash, 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, French door refrigerator, it's a pantry cabinet, a great kitchen dining space, and sliding doors take you out to a wide balcony, looking out over a gazebo, a bocce court. Heading into the living space. Again, just an unusual volume of space. Bring your imagination. It's a built-in desk with drawers, track lighting in a den area, windows on 2 walls, head upstairs to the bedroom level, and you'll see a storage cabinet halfway up the stairs. I'm on the second floor, looking at a tall window in the stairwell. Nice touch for natural light. Turning around to look at a laundry room with full-size side-by-side front-loading washer-dryer, shelving up above. Turning into a really spacious master suite. Wide windows. Space for any size bedding and a lot of additional furniture. Looking at the first of 2 walk-in closets. And turning around for second walk-in closet with organizers. Heading into the master bath, which is a very unusual space. Ceiling soars up above 12 feet, I'm guessing. High windows for natural light. Double bowl vanity is about 12 feet wide. There's a makeup table, drawers for storage. There's a separate private toilet compartment and a walk-in shower. Really an unusual, just about sensational master bath. Bedroom level is carpeted. Heading toward the guest bath. Nice wide vanity. Double drawers for storage. Deep soaking tub. Bedroom 2 and 3 Both can accommodate a queen-size bed and additional furniture. And bedroom 2 is a walk-in closet with windows on 2 walls. Turning into bedroom 3. Wide window with plantation shutters and a wide closet. I'm now on the lower level, a half flight down from the entry foyer. There's plank flooring throughout this level. Good windows on 2 walls for natural light. There's a lot of space on this level, and you can find a variety of ways to put it to use. I'm looking at a coat closet just past the entry to a 2-car garage. Deer Park Crossing has an appealing location, great amenities, wide variety of layouts, including this Newcastle floor plan, which has enough space and space that's laid out well enough that you can easily imagine yourself living here for quite a while. Put Deer Park Crossing on your must-visit list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.